Okay, thanks for joining me today. Definitely talking about data teams. A lot of the Flubaroo scripts that we've used, definitely when targeting, and some of the aspects of the writing, whether it was federal deficit or things like that, debt, things that I can kind of accelerate, remediate. Definitely using the tools that were in the Flubaroo. If you're looking at the summary of responses again, things to get ideas from, whether it were blogs, targets that kids got things, whether it was imports, exports. And again, you can see with the data, that's the best thing about the analytics here, the optics on using student data, especially right now when we're prepping up for end of course tests. You can see who's got things people are weak. So maybe later on, for me, if I needed to determine between trade surpluses and deficits, hit that again. Uh, Looking at again, and there you see the next question, surplus and deficit. So next year, we're looking at me personally, the data, but try to understand that, what students need to know about deficits and surpluses. Tariffs, you see like that. And so everything looks pretty good. A couple of the other tests I've noticed that definitely, whether it's GDP, GNP, and then again trying to get other things in the Google Classroom. We talked about that platform being right there. So for me, in the course review, uh, definitely going to focus more next year on the blogs. One thing I can definitely say right here, the three careers assignment. Here, I know we're doing about English and social studies, but math. And Polly and I got together about a month ago, and we're talking about these ideas. Never really formalized anything, but we had students that were doing. I guess I did the social studies aspect of it about finding careers. Other students were doing things like calculating, how much they would make using Bureau of Labor Statistics. So there's another thing that maybe for next year that we can do and add in across curricular with math and economics or whatever. And it's been fun to see the kids working on the same project. Had a student, Julie Rios, Lisa Rios, who was talking about, hey, I've already done this in Mr. Sampson's class, so I can definitely add on to that for her math as well. Um, I think that's it. If anybody has any other questions about it, again, the English part of it, we really got together, whether it was using the Google Hangout when people were sick, or other areas that it has been something that we've done with Fidelity. And again, I look forward to next year. Thanks.